Welcome to Block 7. Today, we're taking a closer look at an intriguing home project located in the heart of Austin, Texas, USA. This project is known as David Street House, designed by Murray Legge Architecture, which masterfully combines practicality with modern aesthetics in a comfortable living space. David Street House is situated in a bustling neighborhood, close to a major university. To ensure privacy, the house was positioned on the site to create a side yard that the family could use as an extension of the main living space. A wall at the front of the house creates a private courtyard off the front rooms, shielding them from view. The front of the house presents a solid mass, while at the back, a tectonic screen porch provides a contrast to the house's solid front. The design of the house features a mass that has been carved, creating deep, shaded openings that connect the interior to the outside. The ground floor plan is conceived as a series of open, interconnected spaces arranged around a central stair and utility core. These spaces are divided by Douglas Fir cabinetry, which acts as partitions while maintaining the sense of a large, open room. The cabinets divide the space into different functional areas, such as the kitchen, study, living room, and TV room, all under a continuous ceiling. An internal light well brings daylight into the center of the house and connects the two floors, creating a surprising vertical opening through the house. The upper floor houses all 3 bedrooms, connected by a bridge that overlooks the kitchen below. Each bedroom has direct access to an exterior patio or deck. To maximize natural light, pop-ups on the roof bring in ample daylight from above, creating a compelling sense of space in otherwise small rooms. This project began when 2 families decided to purchase a large property in central Austin and subdivide it into 2 narrow lots to build new homes. The architects were hired to design one of these homes for a young creative couple with 2 small children. They wanted a modest house with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and spacious living areas that maintained a strong connection to private outdoor spaces. David Street House is a perfect example of how smart design and attention to detail can create a home that is not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and comfortable to live in. With its seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces and the clever use of natural light, this house offers inspiration for anyone looking for modern home designs that prioritize both privacy and comfort. Thank you for watching our review today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Block 7 for more home design inspiration.